Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, let's scramble it now. And here is the 2x2 cube. I'm going to teach you on this cube how to solve it. Now let's start scrambling. Almost on one face of your 2x2, two colors have to be matching, almost on one. They have to be on one. Then they'll all separate up. Those are the corners, and we need to find every single first layer piece. For the first layer, the white layer we have to do, because in white layer there's less parity. So there's second layer. So we're going to do the algorithms and just keep aligning the piece. So if one corner piece doesn't have the correct color or way to be placed, you're going to do the algorithm, and any 3x3 solver has to know this algorithm, and you just can guess because it's very easy algorithm. Use it almost in every one of your solves. It's I wrap and mu prime. You have to use it once in your solve for the white corners or other stuff. The corners, last layer. Most people don't do last layer because that's not involved in CFOP. It's all a PLL. So we're just going to do the layer. We have done that. So we are going to now pair up more pieces. So all of the paired pieces, which we have over here, and that is one piece. So some algorithms to solve the first layer. Now, here is the part which most people don't like in any 2x2 solving video. So I just made it easy like a 3x3. I just think there's a 3x3 over here because it really is. It's just the same stuff. Not the last layer corners and stuff though. So we have to do the corners now. There's a piece pair. So we have to help the pair around. Now I'm going to show you how your pair will be. You just have to do RU 7 times and realign. RU 7 times, realign. That's the algorithm. Now this is so easy. Realign is just find the two pieces and align them. And you also have to use this algorithm a lot. I'll just tell you the algorithm. RU to R prime. You use it so much. Just exactly so much. U moves are the most of the moves you're going to use in the first layer though. Because F moves and B and D moves don't have that much use in them. So we're going to pair up every single piece. This is hard to remember but very easy to do. A bit hard to remember. Just a tiny bit. But the advanced one, hard to do but easy to remember. But on this one you'll get a faster time. It's just solve on another side. I do that if all of my parity cases are solved. I always do that if all of the parity cases are solved. So we are just going to do some algorithms. And you just need to use this algorithm to align your corners, which is U prime L prime U, R prime U prime LU. It only contained of 3 of them, so it was R, L, and U. Some take it as IUF, but it's not IUF. It is not for 2x2. It is something in cubing. we have to align the pieces with the corners. And now you could say, my cube is getting more scrambled. I'm not gonna. You just have to get it scrambled at the end to get it solved. The point of algorithms in the last layer is to scramble the pieces in the first layer and then put them back so it's solved. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.